Hello foodies, welcome to Cook It Love. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Virgin Pina Colada. Pina Colada is actually a cocktail made out of pineapple juice, coconut milk and rum. It was originated in Puerto Rico. But today the recipe I am sharing is that of a mocktail. That is, it doesn't contain any alcohol. So to make this Virgin Pina Colada, I have taken fresh pineapple, I have chopped it up and chilled it in the freezer. And now I am taking it in a blending jar. You can also use pineapple juice, but try to take the fresh juice instead of some packaged one. Now into the jar we are going to add our next main ingredient, that is the coconut milk. I have taken a very thick coconut milk, but you can also take coconut cream if you have. I have taken about a cup of it. Next we will be adding some ice to it, and then we'll add some honey to make it more sweet, but it is absolutely optional. I have used about 2 tablespoons of honey. You can read the entire written recipe. I'll give you a link in the description box below. You should check that out. Finally, we will put the lid on and blend the mixture till it's smooth. Finally, it's time to pour out our mocktail into a serving glass. You can decorate it with some wedge of fresh pineapple and just enjoy. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, cook it love.